Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. We came to know that Dadu was telling some story until and he stopped there and he forgot what he was saying. So, Avani asked, "What is that until what you came? What is that?" Then Dadu says, "One Friday." So we'll read out and find out what is that, what happened on that Friday. So until one day I was taking my bath in a bathtub in the courtyard. Courtyard is the back area of the open space. Courtyard is the open space, okay? Open space at the back of your house. You will have some place, no, some will keep for the plants to be grown. So that is the open space in the house. So he was taking bath in the courtyard. Then no one was looking at me as usual and the water was getting colder and colder. So just to see what would happen, I said loudly, "I can sing a song." So he was sitting in the bathtub and playing and he sat for a longer time. So the water becomes cooler, no? So it became cold and cold and suddenly he shouted as no one was looking at him. As there were many children, they would play of their own. See now in your class, if many are there, you form the groups, no? Bench 1 and 2, then 3 and 4, then 5 and 6. So they were making groups like that and he felt that no one is taking care of me, no one is looking at me. So suddenly he shouted that I can sing a song. Now see this here picture, you can find he playing in the tub. And all his brothers and sisters were also playing on their own. Okay, now, yes, what happened? Asked Avni. So Avni asked, "What happened?" "Nothing much. My brothers and sisters were fighting and playing and mom was cooking, but Baba looked up from the newspaper that he was reading and said, 'Did you hear what the little boy said?' But no one said anything. So I thought I will show them that I can sing and began to sing loudly. I was surprised to myself. They all stopped what they were doing and listening to me sing." So their father was sitting here outside. See, you can see here his father was seeing the newspaper. So he lifted the newspaper and said, "See here, the boy, did you hear the boy, he's crying." Then everyone stopped playing and they were looking at him. Then suddenly he said that I will sing, and he continued to sing. Avni clapped her hands excitedly. So Avni, after hearing that, she clapped her hands excitedly. After that, I became the singer of the family. Everyone started to play and talk to me, and the home seemed to be a good place to be in. So after he sang, everyone felt that yes, he could also sing very nicely. So everyone asked him to sing, and he also, like, he himself felt that he is lonely, but as he sang well and everyone felt yes, he can do it, everyone asked him to sing, and everyone then next onwards everyone would play and talk to him and seemed to be, and he felt now as everyone talked and played with him, he felt that his house was also nice. Later that evening, Avni was in her own kitchen watching mum wash the crockery. Afterwards, this grandpa ended the story over. Then evening when she went to her mom was washing the utensils, that is crockery. "Mom, can I sing a song?" So Avani asked, "Mom, can I sing a song?" Okay, said her mom absent-mindedly. So her mother said, okay. Absent-mindedly means without making attention. Absent-mindedly. Without paying attention. So she said, okay. Then Avni stood up and began to sing. It was a song that lingered in her memory. Lingered means stayed. Lingered means stayed. Means that was which was in her mind at that moment. Eh, the one her father and mother used to sing while making her sleep. So that was in mind when she remembers slightly her father and mother, which they would make her to sleep. She did not remember all the words, so she hummed parts of the song. Her mother looked at her as she sang and soon started to sing along with her. So as she sang, her mother also started to hum the same song because she could not remember the whole song. I don't know you are here, she said to Avni. Even when I am busy doing other things, I have forgotten you. How could I do that? She said, and she immediately gave Avani a big hug. So she said sorry, my dear, I even forgot that you are with me. So I am sorry, and she gave a good hug. So I hope you understood. This is all about the love and the affection. Okay, children, we'll meet with the next topic in the next class. Thank you.